These are the process of planting melons from preparing the soil to planting the seeds or seedlings. According to Kuya Ismael, they use tractors. It is used to till the soil, breaking it up and creating a fine seed bed, ideal for melon plantings. And next, making a plot or layout to organize the planting area, ensuring efficient use of space and easier access for planting and tending melon plants. And then, we use plastic to cover the layout soil. While preparing the soil, the melon seeds will plant into the seedlings tray, which provides a controlled environment for germination and early growth, protecting young plants and giving them a strong start before transplanting. This increases the chances of healthy and productive plants. According to Kuya Ismael, after 12 days, the melons plant will transfer into the plot or layout for continued to grow. While taking care of plants, they use fertilizer in which provide essential nutrients for melons to grow strong and produce delicious fruits. After 55 days, we will see the melon plants that is fully mature and ready to harvest. In harvesting, first, they prepare scissors and sacks. After harvesting, the melons are collected and placed into sacks. These sacks are then loaded onto the smaller truck and transported to a larger truck where they are sorted and organized. Once the larger truck is full, the melons are delivered to the warehouse for further sorting, packaging, and distribution to wholesaler and retailer and different locations, using trucks of varying size depending on the quantity of melons. That's it. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Reyes Hazel from Siena College Tigaon Incorporated. I am 4th year student po with the course of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Human Resource Management po. And I would like to thanks po sir for your time and for this opportunity na ma-interview ko po kayo about Melons Farm po as part of our subject po and logistic management po. Let's start na po. Here's the questions po, sir. First po is, can you describe the process of planting melons? From preparing the soils to planting the seeds or seedlings po. Pwede niyo po ba sa akin, sir, i-discuss yung process po ng paghahanda ng lupa hanggang sa pagtatanim po ng mga punla?
Sa punla, yung tatamnan, i-sprain mo na tapos tatasturahin, lili out. Tapos, dadatagan namin ng plastic, bubutasan, tapos mapunla na kami ng buto sa seedling tray. 12 days, ililipat na namin. Diretso na ang alaga.
Next po is, how long does it take for the melons to mature and ready to harvest po? Gaano po ba sir katagal or how many days po bago anihin yung melons fruits po?
Talipat po, 55 days.
55 days, pwede na po siyang i-harvest.
What tools or equipment do you use for the harvesting of melons fruits po?
Ano lang, mano-mano na lang.
Gunting lang po talaga.
Gunting sa kasako para hindi mabugbog yung melon.
How do you ensure that the harvested melons fruits po are in good quality?
Ano yan? Matamis. Hindi naman na namin sinasama yung may damage sa tracking. Quality na yung pag-alis sa...
Next po is, what method or vehicles do you use to transport or deliver melons to customers po?
Nagagamit po ko mo ko yan yung mas napula kapag dako lang.
Oo.
Pag dikit lang po. Dikit lang.
Next po is, what strategies po do you use to maintain the quality of melons during the transportation of melons fruits po?
Ano yan, dapat ay tuyo siya na anihin para hindi siya magpawis. Hindi siya malamig.
Then nagagamit po kamo po yan yung pangtatlo.
Para hindi siya magpawis.
What are challenges po or problems do you encounter with the customers po?
Napapasama kami mga medyo mura pa, binabalik ko sa mga hilaw.
Mga hilaw pa talaga.
Pag hindi namin na quality ang pagbibigas, babalik yan sa naidilito na doon sa bibili-bilihan.
Anti-gravers po. Then kuya, ano po itong mga ma-overcome mo po itong challenges na ito? Ano po itong tigigibo mo? Itong challenge ay itong problem na ito, dahil na po maulit.
Talagang tinitingnan na huwag yung talagang nasa gusto ko na pagbibigas para hindi na balikan ang gusto nila.
Sa prices po kuya kang mga melon po, kamo na po mismo ang nag-indicate kang price ka melon per
Yun
kilo.
ang gusto namin ang expectation.
Then, pag bultuhan po ba kuya, mas makakatipid po ang customer. Pag bultuhan talaga, naka-discount po sila.
Makaka-discount sila pag mga
Pag dikit lang po kuya, dahil po kami nagpatanong discount.
presyo ng retail.
For the last questions po, sir, is what messages or advice would you give to the BSVA students like me po? Pagdating po sa pagpa-farming po, ano po ito
Ano lang yan, simple lang. Sipag at tiyaga lang yan.
sipag at syaga lang po talaga.
Tiwala lang sa sarili para makarating tayo sa magandang patutunguhan.